started our journey in India last May, and we in the last 9 months alone we've added 15 million new users. Now, one of the key reasons I've been able to do so is because Indians have really taken up to using stickers to communicate. As Indians, we like to talk a lot, we like to communicate a lot. Stickers help you communicate a lot of words fairly quickly. The second thing is the youth segment has taken up predominantly for good features like being able to create a group of around 200 friends, being able to send large files, having an app which can run on PC also, which enables them to communicate lot faster, exchange content bypassing emails. So this is a new trend that we are seeing in this country. Other than that, in the last 6 months, we've launched a number of new apps. We just spoke about B612 camera. Our camera app has also done very well in India. We have a Webtoons app, which is right now #1 in the comics category. Line, we have a caller ID app, which is rapidly rising up the charts. Other than that, we have Line Deco, which is about wallpapers, and even that is doing phenomenally well in India. Interestingly, we are seeing some transactions also happening. They're on the healthy side, very small right now, but obviously they will grow in the coming days.
Which are the main cities? Is this an urban thing, or is there you are getting?
So we don't measure location. Our privacy policies do not allow to gather the location unless the user plans to share it. But from whatever surveys we've considered, we've seen tier 1, tier 2 cities take it up a lot. But there are pockets of growth that we've seen in various states. For example, North India is pretty strong for us.
What are the growth plans now for the next couple?
So the target changes every month. Right now, approximately there are 70 million smartphone users. We are having 6 million new smartphone users every month. So the target just keeps on increasing every day. Every person who has a smartphone in the hand and who has 3G connectivity will want a messaging app, a messaging platform to be on their app, on their phone. We intend to be that platform.
How are you ensuring the stickiness among the users?
So if you see, we keep adding new and new features. We added the hidden chat feature pretty recently. We keep adding new local stickers, content almost on a weekly basis. So stuff like this is what adds stickiness. Messaging is just the core part of it. Okay? We have to build services around it.
It's a large, portfolio of the platform. What is driving the growth in terms of getting more customers? What is the main demand?
Okay. So the big number that we talked about, the 560 million, that's the line messenger. But all the other platforms are also big platforms by themselves. Like for example, the 100 million users for Line camera. That itself is a platform by itself. The gaming platform is again, a different set of services which are doing well on their own. So it's a growth which is multi-pronged, and because of that, we are now becoming a platform which is going to take care of both your live services and your entertainment services.
You love competition. There is a connection between WhatsApp and Facebook. What is going? Are they going to generate more users?
See, I always believe competition breeds demand. Okay, and this is not a saturated market at this point in time. The market is growing, the pie is growing. Okay, so the competition is only making people aware of what kind of services can be available, what different use cases are available. So having competition around is healthy, and obviously we intend to be the front.
Okay, just one more last question. What is your response on there are telecoms are talking about OTT players should be charged.
Okay.
So what is your response?
So I always maintain the net neutrality. Basically, even we were a fledgling startup a few years ago. If one set of companies have to pay and they can afford to pay, what about the startup, the guys who are driving new innovation? They'll be stifled. So we are all for net neutrality.